Welcome to the user's login creation page in the admin module. This page is used to create and manage administrator login accounts. It allows you to create new admin users, assign roles, manage page permissions, reset passwords, activate or deactivate users, and delete user accounts. To create a new administrator account, click Add Admin User. The Add Admin User window will open. Enter the following details such as full name, email address. Note, this email will be used as the user's login ID, phone number, and role. Select the appropriate role from the available list. The assigned role determines the user's responsibilities and access permissions within the application. Create a secure password for the administrator account. After entering all the required details, click Create User to create the administrator account. Note, ensure the selected role has the required page permissions before creating the user. The added details for the admin users are displayed in the list. The list includes full name, email, role, pages, status, actions. Use the search box to quickly find an administrator by entering the user's name, email address, or role. The admin user counter displays the number of admin users created and the maximum number of users allowed under the current license. Note, if you need to create more admin users than your current license allows, please upgrade your license plan and contact the system administrator for assistance. To update an administrator's information, click the Edit icon. The Edit Admin User window will open. You can modify full name, email address, phone number, and assigned role. After making the required changes, click Update User to save the updated information. To change an administrator's password, click the Reset Password icon. The Reset Password window will open. Enter the following details: new password, confirm password. Note, the new password must meet the minimum password requirements, and both password fields must match before resetting. Then click Reset Password to save the new password. Click the Activate, Deactivate icon to change the user's account status. If you choose to deactivate a user, a confirmation window will appear. Click Deactivate to confirm. Once deactivated, the user will no longer be able to log in until the account is activated again. Note, deactivating a user does not delete the account. Click the Delete icon to permanently remove an administrator account. Before deleting, ensure that the user account is no longer required. Note, deleting a user permanently removes the administrator account. If you only want to prevent login access temporarily, use Deactivate instead of deleting the account.